Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Toyota Sienna XLE Premium. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.